In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer video to Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your video lands in the right place and uploads smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Drive. You'll land on your Drive homepage, which shows your files and folders. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your Google account as you normally would. A quick tip before you begin, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you know where your video is saved on your computer because you'll need to select it in a moment. Once you're in Drive, navigate to the folder where you want the video to live. Keeping videos in a dedicated folder helps with organization, especially if you plan to upload more later. Click to open that folder so you're placing the file exactly where you want it. You should see the folder's contents on the screen. If it's empty, that's fine. Your upload will appear here when it finishes. Now look toward the top left corner of the page for the New button. This button is your main entry point for adding content to Drive. Click it to open a small menu of options. From here, choose File Upload. Selecting File Upload tells Drive that you want to add a file from your computer rather than create something new online. Your computer's file picker window will pop up. Browse to the location of your video, select the file, and confirm the selection. If you're uploading more than one video, you can select multiple files at once, but remember that larger or multiple videos will take longer to upload. After you confirm, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and Drive for the Upload panel. You'll see a progress bar showing the status of the upload. It's important to keep the browser tab open and avoid putting your computer to sleep until the upload is complete. When the progress bar shows a check mark and the upload finishes, your video will appear in the folder you opened earlier. You can click it to preview. If the video doesn't play immediately, don't worry. Google Drive may take a moment to process it for playback. Processing time varies based on file size and format, but the file is safely stored as soon as the upload completes. That's all there is to it. Open Drive, choose your destination folder, click New, and select File Upload. With these steps, you can quickly and reliably transfer videos to Google Drive whenever you need.